Hello and welcome to VGK Project. In this session we will look at how to work within an existing project and how to edit the project details. Let's open the search screen and we'll search for our project. This is the project that we recently created and we're going to add some more information to it. Note that all information is view only. By default it is not editable. To switch to the edit mode, click on the button Edit, and now you can edit the project's details. We can add some more information. For example, we can set a region where our bungalow will be built, as well as a city permit number, for example a sub number. We might also add some information that helps clarify the scope of the project, such as the primary square footage, the start and the end dates, and a proposed amount. We can enter this information through the project screen, but since this is part of the project revision, we can enter it on the revision screen. Let's open the current revision and have a go at editing it. So by switching to edit mode for the revision, we can now edit the revision information. We'll set the house size, the square feet, and a start and end date, beginning April the 5th, and we'll complete it by October the 12th. And let's suppose that the client has indicated that they've set a target budget for the project of $300,000. At this point we've set the current revision information, which defines the project's main targets and scope. If we close this screen, the program informs us that there are some unsaved information and prompts us about it. Keep in mind that in most cases information will be lost if you don't save it. So we'll return back and save the revision. As you can see, the current revision information is shown on the project screen as project target information. Now we're going to add some jobs for the project. As we've said before, the jobs define different units within the project, and they are to some extent independent from each other. To create a new job, just double click on the empty jobs area, and the job screen will appear in front of us. Now we'll go to Create New Job, and the screen is ready for us to enter our job values. Based on your business, you will already have several job types defined and entered by your staff prior to this point. When a job type is set, you can use the automatic code and name that is generated by the program, or you can edit this code or just create them directly. And when we save this job, it automatically appears in the list of jobs. So typically there will be several jobs within one project, and so we're just going to enter some more jobs. Keep in mind that the ordinal number defines the position of the job within the jobs list. In addition, you can also choose a billing type for the job, if it's different from the project billing type, for example. You can also define the target budget if it's known, and this will give you a more efficient control over the budget as a whole. You can identify a job manager as well as job staff. So we'll just make another one. Now I just tried to create a new job without saving my changes, and so the program has prompted me so that I don't lose any data. So that's been fixed, and we'll just make one more. Okay, so now we have this list of jobs here on the right, which we can navigate through, and by clicking on the row we're able to review, to edit or populate details. And now we've defined all the jobs for this project, and we can close this screen. And here are our list of jobs here on the project screen. We might add more information to the project. For example, add a project coordinator to help the project manager. We might also enter information about relevant people from the client side. And we can add key general people. For example, people from the bank or city officials or any regulation agencies that are involved. Now we'll go and save the project. So in this session we've looked at how to edit the project and how to specify the project details. In the next session we will examine the schedule section and the schedule screen layout. This will be our preparation for working with the schedule on VGK application. Thank you for choosing VGK Project. You can learn more about our products at vgksolutions.com.